Hey Boss Babes, welcome back to my channel. Today we're simply going over some products that I bought recently. Some are like a month or two old and it's time to use them. So let's have a chit chat while I unbox and talk about some new skincare and beauty products that I got. As you've seen on my channel, I talk a lot about skincare, hair care, how-tos, and I want to get better at my skincare routine and things like that. So a couple products that I bought as far as my skin is concerned, my little Amazon goodie box full of things. If you've seen my skincare videos before, you know that I use Cetaphil to cleanse my face. I use a vitamin C serum and hyaluronic acid serum afterwards, and then I use a moisturizer. I typically use Aveeno. I recently bought this CeraVe moisturizing cream and it is perfect. Like, it's super dense for dry skin like I do have, especially during the summertime, but it's not heavy and it is so luscious. It's light, but yet it's dense. Put a little bit. I usually just dab a finger in there, boom, after I like wash my hands or something, and it's just enough to put on my skin. It feels so soft. If you're in the market for some kind of moisturizer that's not too heavy, like it's winter time, but moisturizing enough where it literally says helps restore the protective skin barrier, this will be my recommendation. I love it. I did a BioSense review. I ended up buying another squalene micronutrient fine mist. This is perfect if you have makeup on or not. It won't mess your makeup up and it will keep your face moisturized if you don't have makeup on. That I would highly recommend. I love this product before, so I got that one again. Okay, so let's get into a little bit of the chit chat because it also has to do with you all. I just started thrifting literally last week, and then I'm going to do another one this week. I said on my first thrifting video that this will be a process that I'll be doing for the next couple of months. If you haven't seen that video, definitely click the card above. But I'm doing it more so because one, I want to expand my style with certain fashions without breaking my bank account for outfits and clothes that I might not be comfortable in. And two, I just heard so much about thrifting. I know it's crazy that I've never actually been thrifting, and I have a business idea that aligns with that. This is the portion that has to do with you all. So when you're thrifting, you come across so many great pieces, and not all of them are in my size. Like, there were this pair of shoes that were like, I want to say $10, but they were like beautiful leather with silver belt on the side. Like, if they were my size, they would have been mine, but they weren't. They were like a size 7.5. So I would have still purchased that had I known someone that is that size or had a business, which is the idea that I came up with. And my channel is based on being a boss babe on a budget. So the business idea that I have, that I've seen other people do, and you probably come across their websites or their Instagram as well, basically reselling items. I am so excited about this because one, I came across so much on my first day. I know when I go to this bigger store, it's going to be even more items that I come across, and I want to be able to sell them to you all at an affordable price. And one, I just love this part of me that's like into fashion that I've really never fully explored, and now I get to do it with wisdom. I have space for it, and I also have the business idea to resell it to you all, whether you're interested in some of the things that I find while I'm thrifting, some of the old items that I have shoes that I've honestly only worn once, and I got them typically because I work with brands. Now you have to be my size for those, but maybe you are. Maybe you're a tall woman who is a size 9.5, 10.5, which is kind of like my range in sneakers. Sandals, I'm an 11, so God bless you all who are. Let's finish unboxing, but I just wanted to give you all the bases of this chit chat. I definitely bought this a month ago. It's a nano ionic facial steamer. Definitely seen a lot of this on YouTube and TikTok, so I went ahead and got one. The two names that I'm struggling with as I'm struggling to open this box, the two names that I'm kind of going back and forth are Boss Babes Who Budget or Boss Babes On A Budget. The main difference is like, you know, being a boss babe on a budget. Like, oh, I know I'm a boss babe, but I'm on a budget, okay? And then the other one is like, I'm a boss babe who budgets. So you can be a boss babe whether you have $50 in your account, $100, $1,000, $10,000, $1 million, but you know, you are the one that declares that you're a boss, but you decide to budget. To me, boss babes who budget basically is like, no matter how much money is in my account, I'm still going to budget. So you're making the decision to budget. Boss babes on a budget is, money is tight, I gotta pay a couple bills, I got a little bit of debt, so I have to budget. And I was thinking about this the other day because I was like, oh yeah, we're boss babes on a budget. You can see that in my other videos, but I was like, as you make more money in life, you're not going to just be a boss babe on a budget. You're going to be a boss babe who budgets. So what do you all think about that? Like, what name should I go for? When you want to go on my reselling website, would you want to type in bossbabewhobudgets.com or bossbabeonabudget.com? Let me know what you think in the comment section, because I kind of been going back and forth about this. I asked my little brother just for his perspective from the outside person looking in. He's so smart in his thought process, so he gave me an honest opinion, which is why I asked him. Which is, oh, these are some nice goodies, which is why I asked him. And now I'm asking you all, because you will be the people going to this website. So do you prefer Boss Babes Who Budget or Boss Babes on a Budget? Let me know in the comment section what you think about that. That's our chit chat for this video as we're reviewing these products. Ooh, this one looks really fun. This is so cute. So I got the rose gold color. It came with a, so this is the steamer. Sorry, you can't see it. There's a steamer. It's white and rose gold. Very, very cute. The face part is actually smaller than I expected, but it might just be enough. Yeah. Oh, gonna have to wash that. Anything in plastic, it just always has a smell to it. This is nice of them. This is really cute. I like that. So this is the top. Let's put it together. We won't use this in the video, but when I start actually showing you like my skincare routines and the process, then I'll show you how to actually use it. But right now we're just unboxing and reviewing, having a little fun. You basically put it on here. Oh, I'm trying to push it all the way down to this part, but you don't cover this part, so that is on me. How fun. And then it also comes with a water cup to fill, so you don't go over too far, or maybe you don't have a measuring cup or something like that. So this entire kit was beautiful. Oh, we're not even done. Look at that. It's like a pimple popper, a couple other things that they have added in here. This is such a nice addition. I'll have all the details in the description section, so don't worry. Even if I'm saying it wrong, I will let you all know what it is. I did buy some new makeup brushes. I did have to buy another makeup brush cleanser. It should be coming this week or next week, but I just bought some new makeup brushes simply because I only had like 4 main ones that I use, and it's time to retire them and bring on some new ones. When we do an organizing chit chat, because I have to organize these 2 bins and my makeup, you will see what I'm talking about. But your girl, it was time for your girl to level up, because I've been slacking on those little things, and every time I get ready to do a video, I'm like, oh, I need to cleanse my new brushes, and it's always one little piece missing. You only remember when you're about to do something versus like ahead of time. The procrastination can be real. Lord have mercy on me. So got some new makeup brushes, and then I also bought 6-in-1 microneedle Derma Roller Kit. I did this on my Amazon review. This is like 2 to 3 months old. I have still yet to use it, so I'm going to be doing a process of how to lighten dark marks and getting rid of like ingrown hairs on your armpits, your bikini line area. So this is why I got that, and it's for your face, and it has this. Oh, let's unbox it, Lee. That's what we're here for. I was gonna review it. No, girl, we want to see. And this is perfect because I just kind of had them in a box, like, okay, you gotta review them, and it is time. Also, for the Boss Babes Who Budget or Boss Babes on a Budget, it won't be just clothing. It will be weaves that I get from brands. I have at least 2 human wigs that I've worn once or twice, and I'm probably not going to wear again. I have twists in that will probably be in for the next month. So those are other things that I'm looking to just resell, not at the same price that I got them, but to not just throw them away either. It'll also be skincare products that maybe I get from a brand and I have extra. Some I'll give a part of giveaways, but then some I'll resell, but just not at the price point that they might be at. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, a little gift card. Thank you for the instruction kit. So it's a Derma Roller Kit, and it shows you all of the details about each needle. It comes with a long stick, and it has different attachments that you can use on this stick. While I'm struggling to open this up, and you made it this far and you like what you see, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and support your girl's channel by staying updated with every new video that I have coming out. And if you are already subscribed and you're back to show support and watch what other products that you should be adding to your skincare and beauty routine, turn on your notifications so you know when your girl uploads her next video, okay? And let's try to do this without hurting ourselves. Ah la la. I love it. It shows you the directions and how you should go while using these products. And it shows you each roller's needle count on them. So this is great. I will be giving a full detailed tutorial on how to use this so you do not damage your skin, your face, or anything like that. I'm excited about this process. Wow. I can't believe I waited this long to even open this up. Sheesh, Lee, your face wouldn't be like this. Okay, your face wouldn't be like this. Speaking of getting rid of dark marks on your body as well as ingrown hair specifically, my last wax, I ended up buying this from European Wax Center, and it came with 3 products that the wax lady recommended, and her opinion seemed valid. I know they also had to sell things. I was like, you know what, I'm in the market to lighten those areas, especially my armpits, so why not go ahead and try it. I bought the travel kit, 1, because I travel a lot, and 2, I prefer to test things out before I buy the bigger bottles at a more expensive price, because what, we are boss babes who budget, or we're boss babes on a budget. We're boss babes who budget. So it's 3 different products. I want to say I paid $15 for these 3, and I think that is a very reasonable price for these sizes. It has a body wash that you would use first, and then it has body lotion that you would use, and then after that it has body polish that you would use. She also recommended another product that she had that wasn't a part of the travel kit, and it was basically to help like loosen up the hairs that are, you know, ingrown, which are growing back into your skin. But I already had bought this. I heard so much about this product, and it was not cheap at all. So I bought these 3 products along with, already had this one. She was recommending me their product that was this, if that makes sense. I definitely use this after I get a wax, after I do my nair on my under my arms and my legs. I use this. It's a very, very soft cream, and I just use 2 pumps for my legs, and it definitely helps loosen up any hairs that have just decided to go back in your skin. I think I have 1 more product. This is actually longer than I expected, so I do apologize. It's supposed to be short and quick, but I do want to have the chit chat too, because I want to create this business. I am creating this business, and I want you to be a part of it because it's a business for you all, and I appreciate you being a part of it. A lot of you love the styles that I have, the hairstyles, and the more brand and things that I get, I will be thinking about you as I get them. You know what I'm saying? So this product I actually bought when I was in Miami. It's called the Crazy Lift Chin and Neck Mask. I don't know what it's gonna fully do. I don't need it, you know, but I just wanted to try it out to see what it will do. Cleanse your face first, and then you'll open the packet, and then you'll put it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then it's supposed to say it will instantly lift your chin. Now, I'm not a person of lose weight fast. I do know those things are real. If you do a 3-day fast, you're gonna drop weight, okay? If you do, it won't be something longevity, but if you had to go somewhere really quick and you're like, ooh, didn't work out this week, I'll use this, you know? Like, I feel like this is one of those, like, let me put on my waist trainer for the day because I'm going out tonight and I want to have it tighten as much as possible. If I see it doing a little something in 15 to 20 minutes, I might buy a couple more just to keep it tight. So I know this was a lot, and we're just chit-chatting and hanging out. All right, we're back. I had to pull myself together and clear my desk off a little bit. Thank you all for joining me on this unboxing and reviewing of new products that I've gotten for skincare and beauty. These are definitely products that I will be using for how to get rid of ingrown hairs, how to clean your face, or what is my skincare routine. As I'm getting better and doing this too, I always like to say we're gonna grow and glow together. If you haven't already, should it be Boss Babes on a Budget or Boss Babes Who Budget? And we'll have this conversation on the next one. You all will see when I launch it and be a part of that process. I am super geeked, super excited about it. And thank you for joining me on this chill chit chat review. I hope you all are staying healthy, well, and filled with faith during these times. The next couple of months will be interesting. So just know that I am praying for each and every one of you all. And until next time, stay blessed, bossy, and beautiful.